A very warm welcome back to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. My name's Hussein. I'm going to be showing you how to cook a chicken pathia dish. And we've had a lot of viewers asking for the recipe. So I'll share my version with yourselves. Hope you enjoy watching the video. And once you actually cook the video, you'll enjoy making it and eating it with your family, friends, etc. Also, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your kind encouragement, feedback on the videos, and liking the videos, sharing the videos, and subscribing. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us. So I'll start cracking on now with the chicken pathia. I'm starting with vegetable ghee, 5 tablespoons. And with the ghee, as I always say, once the curry is cooked, you can take the ghee out. You don't have to eat it all. And ghee gives it its different taste, especially in the pathia. You'll enjoy the flavors and the aroma. So 5 tablespoons. Keep the flame on a low heat. And then we're going to add some whole spices. I'm going to start with 3 bay leaves. I've got 4 cardamom pods and cinnamon stick. Now 4 onions. I'm going to chop the onions in cubes, fry the onions off, then I'll be blending it so we've got an onion paste. You can make the onion puree if you want, but once you cook the onions and then blend it, you know the onions cooked fully and it makes the dish more flavoursome. I've got 1 kg of chicken breast, so I'm going to use 4 onions. And the onions, I'll just show you, we're not going to finely slice them, it's just coarsely chopped or diced. There we are. Because we are going to blend it, so there's no need to be too precise with the sizes. What I did do is, if you chop the onions beforehand, you don't want the ghee to be getting too hot, otherwise it'll burn. So if you've chopped beforehand, then it's fine. You could add the onions in, or if you're going to chop them afterwards, just move the pan on the side. Then once you finish chopping, add them just the way I've added it. Keep it medium. Just going to soften the onions up. Once they're softened up, then we'll put them in the blender alongside with some tomatoes as well. Pathia is a nice dish. You've got the tanginess, you've got it's hot, it's sweet, sour, so there's a few elements to the dish. Thank you to all who purchased our pans as well from us. Greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for your support, and look forward to your continued support and encouragement, feedback. Please subscribe, please like, please share the videos. Let many benefit, as the purpose is to share the knowledge what I've learned from Mom as well, and what her experience is. So she's always been sharing it, so we're all learning together. My daughter Tarim has been on the videos as well. She's also a great cook. She's learned most of the cooking from my mom, and she's always been very keen for cooking, and I hope you've been enjoying her videos as well. Also, we're adding ghee Generally, mom says in summertime, ghee is good as the weather's hot as well. It doesn't kind of stick too much with inside you. And in winter months, try not to use too much ghee as it's cold as well. But oil is good. But on this occasion, ghee will elevate the flavors of the dish, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. Some viewers have commented they want the hardcore chef cooking style with the aluminium metal knife. The reason why I'm not using that is so it's not too noisy when I'm making the videos as well. The onions are browning nicely. It's taking a time. You're not in any rush whatsoever. Food from the heart, food for the soul. Now I'm gonna dice the tomatoes as well. We'll add them in a few minutes. Once the onions are brown, we'll add the tomatoes with it so they'll all soften up. We'll make a paste. Again, you don't need to go too much precise, just coarsely chopped. Tomatoes. The tomatoes can go inside the karahi now. Once the tomatoes have softened, ready to be added to the blender, we can add the spices now as well. So blend them all together, or you can add the spices once you've blended the onions and tomatoes. It doesn't matter. Ginger garlic paste to be 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to be added while the onions and tomatoes are being browned. Softening up nicely, ready to be transferred to the blender. Then the next stage. You can let it cool down a little bit so it's not too hot while you're adding it to the blender, and then once it's cooled down a tad, then you can add it into the blender. Don't want to be wasting any of this beautiful paste here. Aromas are brilliant. Ready to be transferred. But what I am going to do is I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of ghee in the pan, then I'll transfer the paste. Still at like low, medium to low heat. So this is what we need now. We've got some ghee showing up. The paste, just gonna cook it inside the oil for a minute or so. Then I'll start adding all the spices. Then in goes our chicken and alongside our other ingredients. Now I'm going to start adding the spices. It's all ready. I'll start with the chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons. I've got 1 kg of chicken. Two tablespoons of turmeric. 1.5 tablespoons of cumin. A nice stir. Now, this stage we can add our chicken. We can add our chicken now. 1 kg of chicken breast diced. Just ensure you've covered all the chicken, and then gradually you'll start seeing all the flavors coming together. Turn the flame up. I'm going to add some more water to it shortly, but the chicken will release its own moisture as well. And once I'm just waiting, as soon as the chicken releases its moisture, I'll add the tamarind pulp. I've used fresh tamarind pulp, which you need to soak for a while, mix it, sift it through, and just use the liquid, or you can use a ready-made paste as well, which is available in your local shops or supermarkets, and mango chutney. So chili to give it the hot flavor, tamarind will give us the tanginess, and mango chutney will give us the sweetness. I don't have a lid for this wok. Otherwise, if you can put a lid on top, it will help cook it faster and release its moisture. So just keep it on a low to medium heat. Otherwise, we don't want the spices or the paste to be burning. Now I'm gonna add the tamarind, mango chutney, some water, and then garnish it with some green chilies. The moisture has released, so it's ready for the final stages now. So I've got approx 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp, 2 tablespoons of mango chutney. It's readily available at local shops and supermarkets as well. And I've got 200 ml of plain water. The dish is not too runny, it's not too thick, medium consistency. Now turn the heat high. You can use a tomato puree as well. As I said earlier on, I've used fresh tomatoes. If you were to use a tomato puree, you will get more of a reddish color. Now I'm going to add some green chilies. I've got approximately 2 whole bullet chilies sliced thinly. If you want the chilies to be in a paste, you can add them before as well. Some salt to taste, pinch of salt. Coriander. And last but not least, kasuri methi, fenugreek. Remember the trick Mom's always taught me, it's crushing the fenugreek leaves to release more of its flavor. So a couple of pinchfuls. Everybody has their own different takes. This is my version on the patia. Hope you like it when you cook it. Just going to turn the heat to low. Wait for the oil to rise a little bit on the top surface. Now I've checked the chicken's thoroughly cooked, sauce is done, everything, it's all looking very, very beautiful. I'm just going to do a taste test. Made just right. All ready to be plated. Call your friends for dinner, let them enjoy. Family, your own family. If you don't want to be using 1 kg chicken, you can use less. Adjust the ingredients accordingly. Garnish with some fresh coriander. There we are. First class food for first class customers. Hope you've enjoyed watching us cook a chicken patia. And once again, please like, share, subscribe the videos, the channel, and look forward to seeing you in the next one with another dish. Much love, much respect. Peace be upon you all. Thank you so much.